Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to have something a little bit different. We're going to revisit the inspiring life of our friend Ron, who passed away this year. We are celebrating a life well lived. 5 years ago, after his wife had died, and he had, he'd kind of been sitting and watching TV and really just waiting to die in his circumstances. He decided that no, that wasn't how he wanted to end his life. He wanted to end his life living it as to the fullest, to the best he possibly could. So he went out on the road, and you know, instead of the last 5 years of his life being sitting in front of a TV, rocking, just waiting to die, mourning his wife, which is, of course, you always do that, but it doesn't have to destroy your life as you're doing that. And so he made the decision to live his life to the fullest, and you're going to see some of the amazing things he's done. He's been to places and met people and built friendships and changed lives all around him. And I hope you're inspired. Many of you are sitting at home right now, just watching YouTube videos. You happen to come across this one, or you'll like our content. Be like Ron. Be determined not to just sit at home and just watch YouTube or just watch your life go by. Be determined to live your highest possible quality of life today. So let's look at Ron's life and be inspired. And just like he did, get up off our butts and get going.
It's your fault I'm out here.
I
You
guess
realize
so. I'm still waiting for the first guy to say that and punch me in the nose, but
Yeah.
fortunately it hasn't happened so far.
No, it's great. It's a great life.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to meet Ron.
Yep.
And see his pretty amazing setup. I think you're going to be pretty impressed. So Ron, you got a lot of stuff here. You got a great bike and a really cool van.
It's working.
And how long have you been out on the road for?
I left in March from Oklahoma.
So that would be 9 months, I
Right there,
guess,
yeah.
a little less. And what brought you out on the road?
You?
Me?
Well, my wife passed away about 3 years ago, and I'm sitting around the house, and I got your YouTube, and I'm thinking, I could do that. So I got me a Harley, and we towed her around all spring behind this, and it got a little heavy, so we got this on here now. So I spent time in Heron in the spring, and then coming back down this fall, I spent time in Heron. So, and it's 70 degrees, perfect.
Yeah.
And then I went to Leadville. Then I went up to Sturgis, for the deal that was on my bucket list. So
Right.
we took Harley and we went up there. Anyway, I went up into Yellowstone and saw all the tourists. And
That's what you see in Yellowstone.
Man, that was not what I expected.
I love
Nope.
Yellowstone, but
No place to stay.
no place to stay.
Had to go out of the park. So then I went up into Red Lodge, Montana, done the Beartooth Pass ride. Oh, that was beautiful.
Oh man,
That's the best ride I've had so far.
I think that's the most beautiful place in the country.
It is. I'm going back.
Yeah, that the 5 entrances into Yellowstone
Mm-hmm.
are all fantastic. Bear Pass, Beartooth is being
Yeah.
the prettiest, but all of them are really pretty.
Yeah, I just tried the 2. I hadn't been on the west side
And
yet.
so then it started turning cold, of course, and you worked your way down here.
Yeah.
We're at the caravans right now, folks. That's where we are. What do you think of the caravan so far?
I like it because, I like to get on the bike and take off, and I don't have to worry about my rig. It's pretty nice. I like it.
And you get a hankering to go play horseshoes with someone. There's someone there.
Yeah. We're just getting that cranked up.
Yeah.
And I think we got a little music thing going on this afternoon at 2
Good.
o'clock. So,
And if you want to be left alone, you can be left alone.
right.
Whatever you're in the mood for that day.
It's a good deal.
It's a good deal.
We redid the van, put the ramp on the back, and I can haul this now. KLR 650.
When you got it as a
Yeah, it had all the amenities that the little motorhome has in it.
Right.
When I'm close enough, I got my little tablet I put up here at night. I can lay down
Look
here and
at
I can watch Bob on the YouTube.
Oh,
right
yeah.
here. So, works out pretty
How can you sleep without Bob? There's
Ah, you got-
the sound of Bob to lull you to sleep. And you did the paint job yourself.
Yeah, I wasn't inebriated either. was sober.
That's what you wanted.
Thank you. My guy.
And then somebody comes walking.
Down by the river, love everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ah, Mr. T.
Well, now you can see why I said we're celebrating Ron's life. We're not mourning his life coming to an end because, you know, one of the most important things you can do is be ready to die at any moment. I love a Native American saying that today is a good day to die. Not because you want life to end or because life has been bad, but because life has been so rich and so full that at any moment you can say, if this were my last day, I've lived it to the very depth and core of my soul. And I've lived a good life and I'm ready to go. Rather live longer, but I'm ready to go today. And Ron was. I mean, we knew Ron right to the end, and you can see he didn't waste a bit of the end of his life. And so I just hope that for you. That's the whole purpose of this channel, to tell you that there is an option. There is another way. And, you know, Ron was exceptional. That's why we're celebrating his life. We don't celebrate everybody's life. He was exceptional, but we're all exceptional in our own ways. And I don't know what you're going to do with the last of your life. And all of our lives are counting down. We don't know the end date, but they're counting down. They're getting shorter. I have every moment a few less heartbeats than I did before. They're counting down. And I want every heartbeat to be a song of joy. That's what I wish for you. And that's the example that Ron set for us. His life was a song of joy, even through some really tremendous hardship at the end. He is an example I want to follow. So if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, get off your butt, go live life. And we'll talk to you later.
Kansas City, here I come.